being out here in this. You can't probably see that it's raining, but it is raining. I'm going to swap over the sunroof, because that is rusted. I have a 5th gen sunroof, the glass one, to go in, so I'm going to put that in, and then I'll see what happens after that. I do apologise in advance for like the bad lighting in here, because I am indoors, so it's quite dark. Charlie actually yanked this off for me, so I didn't want to break it, but the plastic panel that was here, he has just literally just popped it off for me. So I'm now just going to take off interior light. Once you pop the glass off, it's just 2 little screws. So this is now loose. I've just got to undo this little plug here. All that sorted. Sunrisers are nice and easy too. But over here on the arm, it's just got 2 screws. And then just the 1 screw in the back of this little hook. Next is the hold on for life handle. These 2 little plastic clips. And I'm just going to get a little flathead. There we go. Just take out the screws. There we go. 1 hold on for life handle. And I'm going to start with this side, and then I'm going to go over to the other side. I'm going to just take the door trim off. Like such an aggressive snap, it always makes me worried that I've snapped something, but I definitely haven't. I'm going to try and take the seatbelt off, and then I'm hoping if I can loosen the top half of this section, I'm hoping I can just prise it down a little bit. We have to pop that out first, and then there is a big bolt. Don't you just hate it when you open your sockets upside down? Bear with me while I put everything back in its right hole. Just 1 14mm bolt in the middle. Let's see if I can prise this off now enough to get the headliner out. Does that come out? So if I just pull that, ow my fingers, if I just pull that to this side, oh no, I have creased it. I think I'll be rewrapping this, never mind. Anyway, that side's out, so I'm going to move over to driver's side. I've got this little hook over here on driver's side in the rear, which we didn't have on the other side. I'm going to get a little flathead and open this little flap, and there is 1 screw. So I'm just taking this off so that I can get enough slack in this panel to pop out the headliner from the front of it, like I did with the other side. And now to yank. Should. Ow. Cool. As you can see, I'm now wearing the headliner. That's what we're starting from. This is the other one. Obviously, it's a bit dusty because it's been in the garage. I'm actually just thinking, if I take all these bolts off, I mean, these are quite heavy. Oh, that's just gonna fall on my head.
Did you damage anything?
I don't think so. Charlie's come to help, so I don't drop it on my head. Also, I've just realised the bolt that I took off the seatbelts was a 17mm, not a 14mm. I can't read, so just bear that in mind. There are 4 little drain hoses, 1 on each corner. Charlie's just disconnected the 2 to the side that he is. I've got like a little clip, so you just squeeze it together and slide it off. Right. 10mm. So there are 8 bolts. I have already taken out this one and this one. And there, oh no, I've taken out 3, okay. And then at the back there is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's 1, 2 over there. And then another one over there. Oh, so I've already taken out that from one. So they're all 10mm bolts. So I'm now going to take those off.
So I'll get a little trim tool and take this wiring off.
Okay.
Just trying to take it out nicely. Oh, there we go. So now, it might be a good idea clean up some of this.
Yeah.
And then treat and do like a little bit of rust protection, maybe adding a little primer or something. Just because if we don't do that,
Then
it's
the
only
next
going
one
to
will
get
just go rusty, yeah.
in the future, isn't it? So.
Okay, good idea. So luckily inside, around the edges pretty fine. It's just a few little spots of rust at the front, one at the side. We're just sanding them all back and treating them, but all the rest of it looks really good.
Under seal.
Magic. That is really stinky. Then hopefully no rust in the future. I'd just like it on record that this isn't our car over there, just a bloody eyesore. But then, so's this.
Normally you would mask the whole car up and mask everything up, but we don't.